A project is a comprehensive and central entity in Gemma designed to represent the natural workflow of multidisciplinary and agile teams. A project can have one or more revisions, each with a separate service and managed by a different project manager. A project revision, therefore, is a technical subset of the same project that requires a different specialty. Each revision can have multiple invoices and its own list of tasks, which can be assigned to team members. A revision can be completed and delivered independently from other revisions. To edit a project, select it from the registry of all projects. The Project Edit panel is an adaptive and concise panel with context-specific options relevant to the status of each project revision. Available options and settings are separated for the base project and the selected project revision. Let's first focus on the notable options of the main project. Here you can access the list of revisions, add a new revision, adjust size, complexity, flags, name, and description. If a project can be associated with a physical address, an address field powered by Google is available. You can add any text as the address field, and Gemma will store this information for your project. Next, let's talk about project revisions in different states. Each revision follows a standard progression path toward completion and delivery. Following this approach, each status of a project revision changes the available options of the Project Edit panel to reduce complexity. The main statuses of a project revision are quoted, approved, progressing, completed, and delivered. Notable options of a project revision in different states are as explained next. We first start with a project revision at the quoted state. In this state, you can assign the main service fees and 4 additional quote items, provide a revision description, add or edit a signatory, choose a contact person, and finally, send the quote to your client for approval. In the Send dialog, you can add known contact persons of the client as email recipients. You can also add extra recipient email addresses. To remove an email address from the list of recipients, simply click on the selected email address. All recipients will receive an email with a printed PDF quote form, as well as an online link they can use to approve the quote. When a project revision is approved, either by your client or from the Project Edit panel, an email is sent by Gemma to all engaged parties with a PDF printout of the approval contract and terms of service specific to that service. After approval by your client, the project revision is moved to the approved pending start state. Notable options of this state, and for all upcoming states afterward, include the ability to create and view invoices, view approval, edit the signatory, bookmark, and assign service tags. When a project is ready to be started, you change its status to progressing. In this state, you have the option of listing, creating, and assigning tasks. After a project revision is marked completed, it can then be marked as delivered, which is the final state of progress. There are no exclusive options for on hold, completed, delivered, or declined project revisions. The familiar icons at the top right corner of the Project Edit panel are used for maximizing the panel size, monitoring email communication, assigning tags, writing notes, starting a conversation about the selected project revision, accessing help material, and deletion. Deletion is only available for projects that don't have any approved project revisions. Therefore, project revisions can only be deleted at the quoted and declined states.